wanted to film a video where I can just do share with you guys about a easy smoky look, and somehow I got an idea, or I could lay my hands on something which made my whole smoky look very easy, and it is the look which I'm wearing today. And if you want to learn this, then keep continued and keep watching this video, because the tutorial is coming soon, and I hope you will enjoy it. So first of all, I'm going to use my creamy concealer from Color Bar, and that is going to act as a base for my eyeshadows today. I really love this product. As I always told you that when I bought it, it was kind of very dry, but it has melted on its own in summers, so it has become a very usable and a holy grail of product. I really like it. As this look is going to be a very easy and simple smoky eye look, so I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadows in Endless Chocolate for this look. Now I'm just going to pat it all over my eyelid, just taking care that I should not go too high in my crease, because I don't want it to be a black eye as such. It's a very pigmented and very pretty shade, as you can see. So I'm just staying in my first fold over here, and then now I'll go a bit higher but still below my socket line. I just want to be here. I'll just try to wing this a little from the outer side to get the more smoky effect once I smudge it. So this is how this eyeshadow looks till now. Next, using my soft blending brush from Vega, I'm going to blend all the harsh lines, and still I'm going to take care that I just stay much below my eyebrows. I should not go too high. Now this is how it looks after blending, and I really blended it hard and well, so just don't lose your heart and passion about the look. Just keep on blending till you get this kind of complete smudge, no harsh lines, and complete fine look. Next, I'm just going to take my same concealer on my concealer brush, and I'm just going to put it under my eyebrows. The whole intent for this is to get more good and contrast, and to get the complete smoky look, but it should not look panda eyes. So that is the whole intent. And then just placing it here neatly like this, and then I'm going to blend it gently. I'm going to use this brush, which is a flat edge, and it's kind of sharp edged brush, and it's a perfect brush in case if you want to put some eyeshadow, something in your lower lid. Now I'm going to use this brush and going to put this same eyeshadow in the lower lid as well. I usually open up my eyes so much. I think I look scary at times when I do that, and I watch my videos. So I've just put this up lightly just to get a hue of this eyeshadow on the lower lid. I'm going to do a wing eyeliner in this look, and for that I'm using my L'Oreal Carbon Gloss. I'll be posting a video soon about how I do my wing eyeliner. In case if you are interested, then do also let me know, because in that case I will never forget to film that video. Just minor flick over here. So this is how I have winged my eyeliner. Next, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes using my mascara, and you can use any mascara you have, and even if you want, you can go ahead by using some eyelashes or something. For me, I really suck at applying eyelashes, because if I start waiting for it, I'm going to take forever to film this video. Yeah, I'm not I can do eyelashes, but it takes me really long. Now to complete this look, I'm just going to apply this normal kohl in my lower eyelid as well. For completing this look, I'm going to use this peach blush from Maybelline, and it's Dream Touch blush number 4, because I feel that when you have too much of color on your eyes already, your rest of the face should look much nude, because that's what's going to add grace to your whole look. I'm further going to use Revlon Rose Dew shade for my lips today. It's a new addition. So this is how this shade looks as of now, and I'm just going to top this up with my Bourjois 3D Effect Nude Gloss, because this is going to take care that my lips, they should not be looking too overdone, because we have too much of smokiness on my eyes already. So that was it, guys, and this is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial. It's very simple, anybody can do it. It's just you just need to have one eyeshadow, that is the dark brown eyeshadow, and you can get this very pretty and amazing look. It's a kind of look that you can carry wherever you want. And if you are a new viewer, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then don't forget to push the like button, and do add your comments in the comment box. If you try this look, you can go ahead and post your pictures on my Facebook page. I'll be more than happy to see you guys in person as well, because most of you, I know you just by your names. So if you're trying these looks, and if something really works out for you as well, then please go ahead, and for any other questions and inquiries for this look, you can always add comments in the comment box. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.